If you're watching this video, it's because someone asked you if you'd be interested in getting free energy. Now, I know that sounds hard to believe, but I assure you, it's true and legitimate.
You see, there's a truly revolutionary company in the marketplace that did over $400 million in revenues in 2010 and was named Inc. magazine's fastest growing private company in America, with growth in excess of 20,000% their first 3 years in business. They are a formidable, super efficient, debt-free company with a Fortune 500 executive team, a patented billing and customer care platform, and will give you the opportunity to earn free electricity and natural gas. Ambit Energy offers their customers impressive savings of 10 to 30% off the incumbent's electricity rates and savings guarantees on natural gas. But better yet, as part of its new customer acquisition strategy, they will give you free energy for referring just 15 other customers in your first 6 months of service. They will take the average of those 15 customers you referred's monthly bills and discount it from your monthly bill. So if your bill is $200 per month and their bills average $200 per month, you pay nothing. If your bill is $250 per month and theirs average $200 per month, you only pay $50 a month. In any event, you've got $200 per month or $2,400 a year worth of free energy. It's that simple.
If you're concerned about what this will cost you, no worries. The program is also free to participate in. There is no cost to switch your service. Nothing changes for you, the consumer. The service and maintenance on your power lines or pipes, transformers, meters, etc. continues to be performed by the old incumbent, who still owns the lines, the transformers, and infrastructure. They will still read the meters, and by the way, will still continue to get paid for servicing them. There is no change whatsoever for you, except of course the lower price you now pay all the way down to even free. Taking all this into consideration, why wouldn't you do this? No logical reason, right? The only thing you might say is, well, I can't explain it, or I can't sell very well, or I don't have the time, right?
Well, you don't have to. All you have to do is send your friends to see this video, which explains it for you, just like I'm explaining it to you, right? And when they sign up as an Ambit customer, you get credit for them. Once you've got 15 referrals signed up and they start paying their bill, you start getting free energy. It's as simple as that. In the meantime, you'll still receive the benefit of extremely competitive rates that beat the incumbent's rate by 10 to 30% on average for electricity and offer savings guarantees on natural gas.
So let me ask you a question. Is there a better price than free?
You're right. There isn't. So sign up with Ambit as an energy customer and start referring your friends today. And soon you too will start enjoying free energy.
After all, it is the smart choice to make.